Africa.
Red, gold, green, that's all. Ghana, your flag,
Kofi, when you take the entire Africa, now for Europe, ebe share Africa more 18% beka.
Okay.
Enti Africa is so change Europe. So we for youthful population and hard-working population inside Africa. Say yenya was 98%. Europe was only 17.3%. We for the whole of America with the Africa more. The entire Africa with the America more. Africa is larger than America, the entire America and the entire space of Africa. We for China now the be Africa more. Africa is twice and a half larger than China. The question is, Yanuan say na ambenia, yenya yeso, yakwa ketwa ho, ekwa jebesia. Eti enyumbi ewo Bible ma Pentecost for tato, so bri bi pebi, betimi e free Nazareth aba Nazareth wona adi sofo kofi Nazareth e krofia kete mumra meshe mumra eti ene Ghana for timi fa plane ko Belgium Belgium tepa constituency switch Belgium say ye kwa Belgium
na ye kwa Caribbean cities na island
Ghana timi Ghana ni fa plane free ha so ko Trinidad and Tobago. Crony D, who bokrada or yelling my wife or Bepon.
In fact, November now or more.
Carnival.
Yeah, Carnival. MC for Trinidad or more capital. No, what to
Mo
and the whole population crowning in 1.8 million.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Entire crowning in 1.8 million.
Yeah, cause ya kwa Ghana for compare Jumaye. Kofi, me.
Yeah.
Makawo radio ni TV so saa. Na me yakwada ketwa na nado danko Akufo-Addo. Ye president ba kopa ye nyina. Ye som no, no ye di na chie. Makuta ni nsuo da. Me makuta ni nsuo da makasa. And I kept saying say I have saved his life before. It is a obi ye presenter, obi a broadcaster, obi a broadcast journalist in this country ya. Odona nadwa minjindi yese odono cheme. Because when you check the records, 2016, almost all the speeches he read in Europe, all the documents came from me. Blessed God's brain smart. Otumfa komo hine chame na yire nchikume ni asebi. Me hona na nkrata ni fire. Ni ya bobo ano de ba no. Saba hama ne nabai omo ya kromfo. Let me tell you today. I took 9 pictures with Nanado.
Okay.
So I don't hate him. In one of his speeches, he mentioned multimedia, mentioned Adam, and mentioned my name.
Akoma FM 87.9.
He knows the Yetimiya Yo. They are born no as an individual. I remember very well. During those days, time on your Minister of Justice and Attorney General, whatever.
And Akufo time.
Obi fa A4 sheet. A4 sheet o. Kofi fa APM stay go on fa A4 sheet ni kire. Webi. Papers webi.
Yes one.
Webi.
Omani Kofi.
Omani Kofi. Ye je de bosume miensa ketua. Editor A4 sheet de Shabaya 9.
He had the country at heart.
Eti Ghana fo nya kukuduro se. Any pepper say ye papa na oba no. Drum je de ketase de proye ne kankan de. And can ho into no one can say to me to the sensible. I am not corrupt.
I have never been corrupt.
And I have never been corrupt.
And I will not be corrupt.
And I will not be corrupt. And I will not allow any of my appointees to be corrupt. I am daring His Excellency with all due respect to him and his position. So Bema and I am not corrupt. He can't say that. With all due respect to him. We love him, I respect him, and we all respect him.